Alright, we're going out to serve in combat. Let's hitch a ride. Let's lock these things up on here. If it works. No, that won't work. Well, this gun is made for real guns, not airsoft. No, that's just kind of sad. So we're gonna put it in the back. Alright, that should do it. Buckle up. We don't want to die out here. So, yeah. Alright, so we've set up camp. Gotta get my protection on. Gotta get my special ops biking helmet on. You know? Never can go wrong with that. You know? So we are in the field. My enemy's somewhere over there. We got this position where we can snipe. Alright. He's got the pistol. Oh my gosh, is he coming? Is he coming? I think he's coming. I think he's coming. Oh. That's him. Oh, let's position ourselves. Okay. Got our gun. I probably should reposition myself and load up. So we move to the back side and lock and load. Alright, we're all good. Supplied. Let's go into battle. Now we gotta start fighting, actually. I think my teammate is teamed up with somebody. My enemy, I mean. And they got a seriously cool base. They got like a factory. What are you doing? I'm in here with my gun. Far away from them. He's running toward us. Oh gosh. Sorry guys, didn't get to watch the firefight. It was really fast. Since I got the longer distance gun, I shot him in like 2 seconds. And he retreated. So, yeah, I'm gonna clean up my home a little bit, because this is my base. He's teamed up with my brother, and my brother doesn't have a weapon. Just chilling with him, so yeah. Basically, that's what the stats are right now. Really sad. My brother just took my vehicle. And the other 2 vehicles out here, he took the keys. So I'm like stranded in this open abyss. My rifle. The war is still going. I thought my brother was on my side.